household area that you guys live at, all right? Just like roommates. Hey, can you be quiet for 2 minutes? Can you be quiet for 2 minutes? Can you? Can you?
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Patrol Vlog, Season 4, Episode 3. To all of my new subscribers that have come in over the past couple of weeks, I want to thank you all so much. Welcome to the family. If you guys haven't yet, make sure to check the show notes down below. I have all the links from my other social media like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all of that stuff. And somebody brought up recently in the comments about a P.O. Box. I've actually had a P.O. Box since I started this channel, so that's down there too if you guys want to send me anything. I'll do mail times and stuff like that as we move on. And if you want to consider donating to the channel, I have the Venmo link down there as well. Again, I have to get these videos through an official public information request, and it does cost me money to get them. So if you guys want the more action-packed videos that are longer, it costs me a little bit more. So if you want to donate $1, $2, that would be super helpful.
Hello, officer.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Pretty shitty.
Yeah, why is that?
Hot right there.
Okay.
She's drunk. She's obnoxious. She's threatened our lives. He stepped on the dog's back leg and broke it. Almost stepped on the front legs and broke it.
Okay.
He needs marchment or something.
Is that true?
It should be alright.
Bullshit, I want him out of here.
Well, here's the issue, okay? You guys are all in a place that you shouldn't be. So you don't have the authority or right to say he has to leave over you. Because I can tell you right now, if something's going to go down here, it's going to be everybody or nobody.
Okay.
All right?
I understand that.
So.
But Dollar Tree allows us to be here.
Okay.
We do not cause trouble.
Well, again, your issue with him then is between you guys, all right?
Okay, well,
Consider this. If you're saying you're allowed to be here by Dollar Tree, which I do know they, like, for the most part, look the other way, you got to consider yourself roommates. So if you guys lived in a house and he was just being mean and annoying and you didn't like him.
He ain't a damn roommate.
Okay.
What happens when he threatens to cut Ron's head off? He asked me, I went over to check Mike when he was laying down. To stand up and balls his fist up and wants to punch the shit out of me. So what do I do, officer?
Go somewhere else?
No, he needs to go somewhere else.
Okay, it doesn't work that way.
Dad, I'll make him go.
Okay, you want to have that attitude with me? I'm going to march into Dollar Tree and I will make sure all of this is gone. Do you understand me?
Yes, I do, sir.
Because here's the thing, just because Dollar Tree looks the other way does not mean it is allowed by city ordinance. And I can tell you right now for 110% fact that this is against city ordinance. So I will make sure to have code enforcement out here, clean all this stuff up, throw it in a dumpster, and none of you will return here.
Understood, officer. But
okay?
What do I do about the threats he does?
None of them are credible threats. Does he have a saw or a machete or anything to chop somebody's head off?
No,
because I don't see one.
Man wanted to put his fist on me.
Okay.
Isn't that enough?
Did he try to?
Yes.
When?
Oh, about a couple of weeks ago.
Oh, a couple of weeks ago? Well, that's done and over. No, all right? So there's nothing we could do about a couple of weeks ago.
Can I ask you about to get him away from me?
A restraining order?
Yes.
Well, that's up to you. You can go down to the court and apply for that. It has nothing to do with me.
Okay, I'm not trying to cause you trouble, officer.
Okay, well, but you are. So that's the problem.
Sorry.
All right? You guys choose a certain type of lifestyle, all right?
I don't
and unfortunately,
I don't got a choice.
Well, everybody has a choice. We have immense resources in this city. We have shelters, we have job assistance, we have feedings, we have all kinds of stuff that if you truly wanted the assistance or help, you could utilize it, and you choose not to, right?
I'm trying.
Okay, so again, we are in a situation, we will consider this like roommates,
No,
all right?
he ain't my roommate, and just get out of here.
You could, okay, or you can just get out of here.
You better shut up, Laura. You're pushing the envelope here. If you can't recognize that, then you need some mental health issues.
Yeah, when a man wants to fucking make me stand up and he's gonna punch me in the head and threatens to cut his neck off.
Well, is it because you were running your mouth?
No.
You're just sitting there minding your own business, and he just challenges you to
Pretty
fight
much.
for no reason.
Pretty
That
much.
makes zero sense, okay?
Well, I went over there. Mike was laying over there on a pad. I went over there to check to see if he was okay. Came over here and sat down. He's telling me to get up and he's going to punch me because I was checking on Mike. Yeah, it makes zero sense.
No.
I didn't.
Yes, you did.
All right.
Sir, my only concern is 8 to 10 weeks ago, and I just got the bandage off. He broke my dog's leg.
Okay. Well, listen, I don't know how else to explain this to you, okay? You guys are all in a place that technically you shouldn't be by law, all right? So I have little to no recourse other than to remove everybody from here, okay? And so, like I said, all of this will go. So that's why I keep using the reference of roommate. She can argue and complain, oh, we're not roommates, but I'm using it as a reference point, all right? If you guys are all going to congregate in this area and say, oh, we're allowed to because Dollar Tree's looking the other way, and I'm not going to go to code enforcement and have it removed, then you have to, guys, consider this as your little household area that you guys live at, all right? Just like roommates. Hey, can you be quiet for 2 minutes? Can you be quiet for 2 minutes? Can you? Can you?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. My apologies.
So at that point, just like roommates, you would have to either get along or somebody has to leave. And if I have two people that are not willing to leave, then you guys are stuck being roommates. All right?
No way.
He is not obligated more to leave than she's obligated. If you're going to sit here and tell me 10 reasons under the sun why you're so fearful of him and he's such a menace and he's done all these things, but yet you choose to continue to sit in the spot 3 feet away from him, I can't help you. You have just as much ability to pack up your stuff and find another location to hang out as he does. So I can't force either one of you. If nobody's willing to be the bigger person, then your options are continue to cohabitate in this close environment, all right? Or if this becomes enough of a nuisance and I come out here enough, then I will go to code enforcement. I'm not even going to talk to Dollar Tree. All right, I'll go directly to code enforcement and I'll have all this stuff tagged as abandoned property and a nuisance, and it'll be cleaned up by the end of the week. Code 4. You can cancel 12 for now. All right, so that's where things stand. Sir, can you do me a favor? If whatever this issue is between you and her, can you just leave her alone?
Not
Just
just
don't
me and
talk
her.
to her.
I
Him and
do.
us.
She won't
Mike,
shut up. She
Right.
don't shut up. She
Okay.
never shuts up.
I can see that, all right? I can absolutely see that. And that's why I brought up that point. So here's what, the same advice that I just gave the two of them, I have to give you guys, all right? If you don't like listening to her and she is annoying, you may want to consider parking somewhere else for a while, take a break from each other, and move on from there, all right? Because I can't
Fair enough.
get with the petty back and forth and stuff. You guys are obviously in a tight spot, and by arguing is just going to make it that much worse,
You're absolutely right.
all right? So I'm going to leave you guys to try and work this out as adults.
He knows me. He knows
Okay,
me.
I'm sure he does. Most of the people here know you. I know everybody hangs out here. I'm just saying we're running into that area of
We're
options.
fine with each other.
Well, apparently not, according to her. So,
Not when
Can't
somebody
stop
threatens my
talking.
life.
okay, that you never called about a week ago and you continue to live 3 feet away from, but you continue to run your mouth, all right? This is why it does not meet any criteria of a criminal threat or anything that needs police attention. So I'll say it one last time. If we continue to get called out here, everybody will pay the price, all right? It is not going to be just he leaves or just you leave. This entire thing will get cleaned up by code enforcement and we'll be done. You understand? So I would suggest trying to get along. All right.
So I didn't get a chance to narrate on the front end because I ran out of time, but that call came in as a disturbance. The woman is the one who called us complaining about that other guy for the complaints you heard in the call. Obviously, it happened weeks ago. She's drunk. He's drunk. Everybody's drunk. This is one of those situations where, as you heard the advice that I gave him, there's not a lot for me to do. It's either get rid of everybody or try and just figure out how they can continue to cohabitate there and sober up and hopefully stop bothering us. Coming up here next is a traffic stop. Nothing real fancy about it, but a general interaction with a citizen and see how a stop is normally handled.
Final's going to be pulling into Sunshine Liquors here on the corner. How you doing, my man? Got your driver's license on you? Alright.
I know my brake light, so I gotta get a.
That's the deal. Yeah, you only got that one little one right at the top.
I gotta get a bulb.
Yeah, the bulbs just for the two side lights. And to be honest with you, like to be legal, you only need one. You just have to have 2 working brake lights. So you could have that one at the top that's working and one of the side ones. But I mean, shit, if you're gonna get the bulb, just grab 2 of them. Everything go with your license as far as you know?
Yeah.
You got a headlight out too? You're all kinds of a mess, man.
This is my work truck, man. I'm just leaving my job at the Serenity Club, but I left my keys at home.
All right. I'm just gonna check this real quick and I'll get you out of here, all right?
Now, if you haven't figured out, this is a white cop who stopped a black man, and guess what? I didn't rip him out of the car. I didn't shoot him. Nothing crazy happened. This is normal law enforcement interaction. When you have somebody who just acts like a normal human being that, hey, just got pulled over for whatever reason, it is a very standard, basic encounter with 2 people. It's not a big deal. For those of you who watch the videos and just think cops are tyrants and all we're doing is out to get people, no, this is 99% of what we do.
Appreciate it. Gas door doesn't shut either, man.
I know.
Killing me.
I told you this is my work
Killing.
truck.
Yeah, I know. It should be working.
I just left the building. I clean buildings at night.
Okay.
I just left my building, Serenity Club right here on Turner Street.
Yep.
But I left my keys at home.
All right. You have a good night, man. Be careful, all right?
Hey everyone, so that's where I'm going to wrap this video up. I know this week's episode wasn't an exciting episode, but like I've told all of you guys as I do these videos, I'm trying to be transparent with you. This is what we do 99% of our days at work. There's simple interactions like this. You got to talk your way through it and everything turns out just fine. Guys, as always, I want to thank you so much for watching the videos and all the support that you give me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Throw a thumbs up on this video. That helps the algorithm for the YouTube gods and push it out to more and more people so we can help this channel grow and I can get you more and more content. As always, guys, if you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section down below. I try to respond to as many people as I can who have genuine questions about this. And if you're going to troll me, better believe I'm going to troll you right back. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day or night. And until the next video, take really good care of yourselves and stay safe out there.